Good morning, it's Saturday, January 13th, and I got everything prepped and ready to go. Yake got some stuff prepped and ready to go. We still have a couple more to stamp and straighten. Yake still has a couple to thin down a little bit, so like I said, hopefully by the end of today, we'll have all of that ready to go. I can fill out the form and get it packaged up. If not, it's not the end of the world. We still have a little leeway time for it. But hopefully we can get, because we really need paring knives in stock, and Yake's been a beast and has paring knives. He's got neck knives. Well, that's a neck knife, that's a paring knife. So some of my designs, some of his designs, a little bit of everything. I'm not stingy with designs. We just need paring knives in stock. So he had the time to get those done. So super excited, because these will be the first MagnaCut paring knives we have in stock. So very excited about getting these heat treated. Other than that, that is my day. Here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Just to get you caught up with what's going on in my world, I'm threading the hell out of this tang. I've got to bring it down. I'm being a little bit of a baby, not bringing it too thin, because then I've got to start all over again. So it's one of those things where when you're taking away steel, you have to remember you can't add it, so you don't want to take too much away. And just so I can get kind of like the same diameter, I'm basically inking it slowly. So should get that threaded, get it ready for the heat treat, so that way I can get ahead with the D2 heat treat and then go from there. That's basically been my focus. Been up front doing a bunch of things admin wise, and then working on little things here and there that I can. That's been the majority of the day. Same thing here. So I'll just try to focus on that, get it taken care of, so that way I can get it on over and ready for welding after the heat treat. But we are now going to go in our favorite place with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about something very exciting. This is the Task, which if you've been following along, you'll recognize this as the knife Nico Consoli, our Nick, he designed. We sent off to Kizer and they did a production model of it. So on the back here, you'll see his little maker mark there. I'll make sure to get a better photo of that so we can actually see it, because that is not coming through at all. But anyway, that's his little maker mark. So we've had, or designer mark, excuse me. So we've had other knives that we made by hand in before where he designed them. We use that designer mark for it. So what this is a Warncliffe style blade in 154 cm. It does have an adjustable thumb stud, I'm losing my words, with Kizer's clutch lock. The cool thing about the clutch lock, so it's very similar to most other crossbar or stainless steel crossbar locks, but this one is adjustable, so you can actually increase or decrease the tension here. They do come on the, is it the softest or the stiffest setting? I can't remember.
I'm not 100% either.
But you probably won't be able to see it on the camera, but there are like 5 little dots in here where you can take it apart and adjust that spring. So it's cool that Kizer, they want you to take the knife apart, as opposed to most other companies that are like, no, don't take it apart. We're not going to warranty that, or you got to pay to re-warranty it. It comes with a tip up, dual side, so you can switch it for left or right-handed, deep carry pocket clip. All the hardware is satin, like the blade. Just super stoked to have these guys in, and happy to have our first Serenity knife production model just out in the world.
And yes, that is my Carta. I know he didn't touch that. It's all right. It's okay. That is my Carta. So great wear in on that. You'll see that change through time. Really cool thing. So we snagged about 43. Those first 43 do come engraved, so that way this first run that you guys get will have that 1 out of, 2 out of, etc. when it comes to these guys. So it will be a limited run there. After that, the rest of them will not be numbered. As always, you guys have any questions, hit us down below in the comments. Reach out to us however you feel fit. You guys have a great weekend. Bundle up. It's supposed to be a cold one. Everyone take the right precautions. We'll wrap it up here. See you next week. Peace.